The Femi NG160 is a mitering bandsaw designed for use as a utility bandsaw that can be easily bolted to a truck bed or workbench. The saw miters at one way up to 45 degrees for more versatile cutting. The cutting capacities are 6 inches by 6 inches square or 6 inches round at 90 degrees and 4 inches by 4 inches square or 4 inches round at 45 degrees. The NG160 uses the NG system or new generation system that provides 40% faster cutting than other saws of this capacity. The Femi NG160 uses a half-inch blade driven by an infinitely variable speed 2.7 horsepower motor. Blade speed can be adjusted from 98.5 to 262.5 feet per minute. This saw also comes equipped with a digital speed regulator to maintain constant blade speed. Reverse blade rotation, NG system, provides added stability, higher accuracy, and speed. The blade is easily accessed for quick blade changing and has simplified blade tensioning with a clutch safety to ensure correct blade tension. The adjustable guide arms slide closer to the part, providing more beam strength to the blade, allowing for straighter and more accurate cuts. Vicing is manual with a quick slide vice locking system and easily adjusts to clamp the material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The saw has a manual pull down and head lift and a steady, sturdy pressed steel base. An adjustable bar stop saves time and money. Parts can be cut to the same length repeatedly without constant measurement. The Femi NG160 has an ergonomically designed handle for less strain on the operator. The NG160 is ideal for workshops and smaller jobs in any production shop. This saw has greater horsepower for even faster cutting ability. It uses standard 110 voltage. The NG160 is a cleaner saw to use in your shop because it does not require coolant for lubrication.